Hello, my name is Jacob Wood. I'm a teacher here at West Wilkes High School. I'm a history teacher, also assistant football coach here at West Wilkes High School. This is my first year here at the high school, and so far it's been a great year.
Do you like to do anything outside of school?
I have several hobbies outside of school, anything from hanging out with my buddies to lifting weights to especially any type of fishing. I'm a big outdoorsman.
What's your favorite kind of fishing?
My favorite kind of fishing would definitely be something called carp fishing. I also like to do other types of fishing such as crappie fishing, catfishing, a little bit of bass fishing, and then a lot of saltwater fishing.
Are there any secrets to carp fishing?
Yes. One big thing with carp fishing, you're not using live bait, you're not using plastic lures or anything like that, but instead you're actually physically making your own bait. A lot of people use something called trout chow, which is a type of food or little pellet-like substance that they feed baby trout in the hatcheries. We also use things such as oats, grits, rice. Some people use like soybean meal, but there's also flavorings that you put in them. So there are different flavorings, which are called carp flavorings most times. We use a lot of grape, we use a lot of strawberry. Sometimes we use like a nutty flavor like banana nut, butternut. It's all based around how you make your bait. What bait you choose to use, what flavoring you put in it, what other ingredients, all that goes into it.
Where are good spots for fishing?
Some of the best places that we fish at around Wilkes County are Rock Creek Fish Lake, used to be called Randy and Luke's on 16 here in Millers Creek, and there's also another one called Raymond's off of Mountain Valley Church Road. Those are pretty much the main three that we fish at.
That is all the questions we have.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes.